Good morning, Binisha.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss on the topic
Teenagers.
teenagers. All right. First question, I'll ask you questions directly. First question is, what challenges do teenagers face today?
Teenagers face academic pressure, social media space, and identity issues.
Okay. And how do teens spend their free time?
Teenagers spend their time by using their mobile phones, watching dramas, and playing video games.
Okay. And should teens have part-time jobs or not? Why?
Yes, teenagers should have to part-time jobs because they teach responsibility and time management.
All right. And what role does peer pressure play in teenage life?
Peer pressure plays in teenage life are not to use more time mobile phones. It affects their mental health.
And how important is social media to teenagers?
That is not important for teenagers, but sometimes it do.
And what can parents do to help the teenagers or teenage children? What can parents do?
Parents should be supportive and communicative.
Okay. Are teenagers today more stressed than in the past?
Yes, due to of internet, mobile phone, and social media.
Okay. And how can teens develop confidence?
They can build they can build their strength, self-confidence. It is
What do teenagers worry about the most?
teenagers worry about most social media because it affects in mental health and it might take in depression also.
Okay. Should children be allowed to make their own decisions or not? Why?
Sometimes it may because they have also self-respect.
And how can schools support teenage mental health?
Schools should support their mental health by teaching that do not watch mobile phone anytime and not uses any unnecessary apps. It is it.
Are teenagers too dependent on technology these days?
Yes, because by technology we can make friends in other countries also, in other place also. We can talk with new person also.
Okay. And what do you think about teenage fashion trends?
Teenage fashion trends, they trends like in sports and in other activities.
Do teens have enough role models today?
Yes.
Okay. And who is your role model then?
Sports.
Who is your role model? Means in sports or in any activities?
In sports.
Okay, fine. Next question. Should teens be involved in community service or not?
Yes, teens should be
Involved in?
involved in communicating because from communication we can new person. We can know new person by the help of internet.
Okay. And how does music affect teenagers?
Teenagers should listen emotion songs
Mhm.
to bite their stress. Have you stress?
Do teens read books as much as they used to?
No, everybody, but some teenagers read books, and some in teenagers watch mobile.
Mhm. And what responsibilities should a teenager have at home?
Teenagers have responsibility for reading books and in school activities, not watch mobile
Okay.
phone.
Last question for you. That is teenage religion? Sorry, is teenage rebellion normal? Are they rebellion, or is it normal or not?
It is not normal because it is very harmful.
All right. Okay. They should be rebellion sometimes, but not too much extreme. That's all. Thank you so much. Read well.